A simple, easy way to make paracord bracelet with buckle. Make a loop, then make a cowhitch knot into the buckle. Insert the other side of the cords into the other side of the buckle from under. Align the cords and adjust it to your desired length. Using my 1.2 polyester cord, do a whipping knot to tie down cords as a closure of our bracelet. Cut the existing cords, then melt it down to have a neat and nice looking paracord bracelet. Now there you go. If you like this video tutorial, do share it with your friends. Thanks.